They look good this morning.
Yeah, the new watering system is working well.
The water levels are stable across all troughs. And the synchronization with the automated feeder is working perfectly.
This reading here confirms the healthy status.
Yes, the ultrasound shows strong ovarian activity.
Maintaining a calm and organized environment is crucial for the efficient and stress-free transport of the herd.
Keep the pressure steady, they're moving well.
Confirmed on the manifest, we're good to secure the gate.
All right, gate closing now.
We have the next 3 ready for inspection.
Thank you. The paperwork looks correct on the tablet. Opening the main gate now.
The raw hides enter the first stage, where powerful jets remove salt and residue. Temperature and flow are strictly monitored by our team. Here at the factory, these advanced splitting machines use precision rollers to guarantee a uniform leather thickness, monitored in real time. In the conditioning department, temperature and timing are critical for stabilizing the leather before the final stage. Precise measurements and automated systems guarantee the rich, even coloration of every premium buffalo hide.
The humidity levels in Sector 4 are stabilizing.
Good, we can increase the temperature slightly then.
Keep the pressure steady at 500 kPa. The hand feel on this batch is exceptional, truly premium.
Check the texture consistency right here.
Yes, I see the slight variation. We'll isolate this section.
The precision cutting system optimizes the yield of every premium hide, ensuring each jacket panel is flawless.
Precision is key. As the jackets move through the assembly department, our workers ensure every seam is perfectly aligned.